Pregnancy is a very happy occasion and we love to breeze through it, but quite sometimes the normal difficulties or physical difficulties of pregnancy, like a pain or a vomiting, can make you tense, or outside influences can make you tense. So, how to deal with it, even if we know that this tension can affect the baby? So, this video is all about how to deal with the mental tension and problems that can affect a pregnancy through the mind. I'm Dr. Shobna Mohandas, consultant gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon, Sun Medical Center, Thrissur, Kerala. Think positive pregnancy in pregnancy is a new mantra. A woman who is happy throughout can lead to a lovely, happy, growing, healthy baby. So, a healthy baby is the dream of every woman, and a healthy, happy child will lead to a healthy, happy adult. And we need a lot of adults who are positive and make a world without bombs and other things and just love, love, love everywhere. So, please be happy, please be positive. The first reason why we start feeling bad in pregnancy is a myth that small symptoms like mild cramps or nausea may harm the pregnancy or the baby more than the pregnancy. So the woman worries if she's not doing enough to protect her baby who's going to come. So every time she gets a pain, every time she's feeling nausea, she feels, oh, am I harming the baby? So that is a myth. The truth is that the worry can harm the baby, and small and mild pregnancy symptoms can be left alone or treated if needed. So it's the worry, it's not the disease that is going to harm the baby. Manage the symptoms and manage the worry, be worryless. What will happen if you worry? Maternal stress can cause inflammation. Inflammation, as you know, in any part of the body can lead to disease in that particular organ. Whether if it is in the nose, you'll get cold. If it is in the joints, you'll get arthritis and things like that. So you don't need inflammation in your body. And there is decreased flow to the fetus because the blood vessels are all inflamed. So what will happen? The baby won't get enough blood. As a result, there will be uterine irritability, preterm labor, growth retardation. You don't want all that just to enjoy your worry. Forget the worry, forget the worry. And the second reason why people worry is the wrong feel that medicines can harm the baby. And the medicines are like killers. Everywhere there are WhatsApp messages that medicines can be harmful. But the right thing is that it's the disease that can be problematic and not the medicine. And properly prescribed medicines can be a boon to the baby, can take off the disease, make you happy, and that should be encouraged if necessary. The third thing is that even if you have a good you have managed all the pregnancy symptoms, there is a mental stress of career, whether it is a homemaker or whether it is an office goer. There is work pressure. Coping with various advices from friends and relatives, do this, do that, this, and that creates stress in a young woman's mind. The husband may be away or the parents may be away. If both are in the same town, the pregnant woman is happy. But many cases, it's not possible just like that. And coping with the newly married life is another problem because you are in a different place. Positive, happy-go-lucky family may marry into a serious family, or the other way around. Strict family may marry to a happy-go-lucky family. So we don't know. There is adjustment problems, and all this can cause stress besides the pregnancy woes, and all this can cause problems. So you should go for mindful meditation, breathing exercises, yoga, something with the group, so you really seriously address this and get these worries off your head, because you can't do away with people around you, so you have to do away with the worry coming from people. So calm your mind and body, take time off to do yoga, mindful meditation, or breathing exercises. And otherwise, at least just sit quietly and think of the sights and sounds and smells of your favorite place, just like some boating trip, or like a outing in your childhood with your parents, or eating mangoes or whatever fruits in a festive occasion, or going for trips with friends during college or school or whenever. So just think of all that, and that it will take off your woes for some time at least. away from all the stresses or your of your family or workplace or wherever, and that will make you smile again. Or listen to music, dance, arts, painting, whatever you like to do, whether singing or listening to songs. Make time for all that. Look after yourself. That's important. Talk to people whom you love, whether you are talking over phone or whether you are in person. Talk to someone you love to compensate for all the other stresses in places where you are stressed out with people who don't fall in line with what you are doing. So be happy with happy people. Research has shown that having a close, confiding relationship protects you from many stresses. In India, mostly it's family members. It could also be friends where you can confide. You don't know whether which friends are good and bad. Mostly it's the school friends or college friends who are sticking together forever. So, but confiding relationships does protect you from many stresses, and it helps to talk to somebody. If you have a problem, solve it. Whether it is electricity bill, work pressure, whatever it is, solve it and finish it off. Otherwise, if you just pile it up, it becomes bad. If you have an argument with your spouse, let go, forget, forgive, adjust to some time because you need a happy baby. Both of you need a happy baby. So cultivate a sense of humor, laugh it off, laugh your worries off, and so you will get a happy baby when you laugh, laugh, laugh. Now, if you have too much work to do, make a list of the important things you need to handle each day. Put together a coping plan step by step. So you have a sense of mastery, that do it systematically so that you can do it much better. Sleep is one of the problems that happen to a few people among the pregnancy going women. She needs a 8 hours sleep at night, and deprivation of sleep can be bad for both the mother and the baby. How? Insomnia in pregnancy is known to cause diabetes in the mother, hypertension, blood pressure increased in the mother, prolonged labor. You all want to breeze through the labor, but then sleep deprivation can cause prolonged labor, and need for LSCS may increase. We all want to avoid that, but yes, sleep deprivation is known to cause increased need for LSCS. And preterm labor or growth retardation will lead to small babies and incubator and things like that. Why don't we just sleep off? So how to do that? See, research has shown that looking at mobile phones within an hour of sleep will give you 5 times higher risk of poor sleep quality and 9 times higher risk for inadequate duration of sleep. Just your mobile can do all that. So keep away your mobile just before sleep. Invest in supportive mattresses or buy a lot of pillows so that you can tuck them in wherever there is pain and things like that. So you invest in a big pillow or small pillows at home will do, but be comfortable when you sleep with a good mattress and lots of pillows. Avoid drinking too much water just before bedtime. You can take it in the daytime or just to wet your mouth in the night, small sips or eat in small aliquots, but do not drink too much because you will have to go to the washroom again and again, and that will remove your sleep. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime, like late dinners and like that. You can take small little bits then and there, but don't go regularly for late dinners. Avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. Limit coffee, tea, caffeine products basically throughout the day. If all this doesn't work, yes, medications prescribed up definitely are safe. And if you can't sleep with all these small measures, you must take medications and sleep because it's not the medication, but the lack of sleep that is going to affect baby. So, yeah, all in all, be positive in pregnancy. Love yourself, your baby, and your near and dear. Stay happy, stay healthy. A haha will lead to a very happy pregnancy and a happy baby. So, wish you a happy pregnancy.